now it's time for us to make the sauce that goes with the falafel, which is called the tahini dip actually. For this I will need half cup of sesame paste, which is tahini, half cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. We need about half teaspoon of salt to season it, and I'm using 3 garlic cloves. Just roughly chop them before they go in there to make sure it will be nice and pureed. We don't want to have chunks of garlic in the sauce. It will go in here, and we will blend everything nicely. Real simple sauce to make, and it will go perfect with the falafel, especially with the sandwich. Our sauce should be ready. Look how beautiful and creamy, and smells so good.